Meaning of grant in aid.
Grant in aid.
Grant in aid.
Grant in aid.
Grant in aid. Grant in aid is a financial term that refers to the transfer of funds from one level of government to another or from a government to a non-governmental organization for a specific purpose. This type of funding usually comes with conditions and restrictions on how it can be used. For example, a government may provide a grant in aid to a school district for a specific program or to a non-profit organization for research purposes. Grant in aid programs are often used to support activities that are considered important but are not directly the responsibility of the recipient government.